Sealed solder connectors provide additional pull-out resistance, superior conductivity, and a seal that prevents corrosion. These connectors eliminate the need for a crimping tool and take the guesswork out of soldering. Sealed solder butt connectors consist of a low-temperature, pre-fluxed solder ring, insulated with an adhesive-lined heat-shrink tubing. Sealed solder terminals consist of a low-temperature, pre-fluxed solder ring and a tin-plated terminal, insulated with an adhesive-lined heat-shrink tubing. These connectors are solder connectors and do not require crimping. To install sealed solder connector butt connectors, strip the wire insulation 3/8 of an inch. Select the proper sized connector. Slide the connector over one of the wires. Intermingle the wire strands. Center the soldering ring over the intermingled wire strands. Heat the connector evenly from the center out to the ends until the tubing is fully recovered. Continue to distribute the heat over the solder sleeve. Do not isolate the heat too long in one place. After the solder flows, remove the connector from the heat and let it cool. To install sealed solder connector terminals, strip the wire insulation 3/8 of an inch. Select the proper sized terminal. Slide the terminal over the wire. Heat the connector evenly until the tubing is fully recovered. Continue to distribute the heat over the solder sleeve. Do not isolate the heat too long in one place. After the solder flows, remove the terminal from the heat, make sure the end is sealed, and let it cool.